So in this lecture, let us discuss about the preparations of O2 and ozone. So first I will discuss about the preparation of O2, how O2 could be prepared. So first method is a self reduction of oxides of silver, mercury, lead, and the copper. So, what are the oxides of the silver? What oxide? Um Silver is going to form the Ag2O. This is the oxide which will be formed. Mercury is going to form the oxide of the type HgO. The lead is going to form the oxides of the type PbO2. Copper is going to form the oxides CuO. Now here you can see that like sometime you may get confused or you may have to by heart these things formula, how many oxygens to put, how many silvers to put. The thing is very simple. The oxidation state of a silver is +1. Okay, that's why we require two silvers to counterattack this -2, right? Here it is -2 and oxidation state of the mercury is +2 and this is -2. Here it is +1. Two silvers are there, so it is neutralized. Here also the overall compound is neutral. Here oxidation state of the lead is +4 and this 2 into -2 is -4. Here this is +2, this is -2. These are the oxides of this silver, mercury, and lead. So if we do the reduction of these oxides, self-reduction of these oxides, then we are going to get the oxygen. So first I will do with the self-reduction of the mercury oxide, that is Ag2O. And if I heat this compound, if I heat this compound, then what I am going to get is just one mercury, or I can write this to be is equal to, if I balance it this way, or let us not balance it this way, we'll get half mole of O2. Okay, this is how the reaction will proceed. Then next is mercury oxide. Next is mercury oxide, HgO. If I heat this compound, then what I'm going to get is just Hg, mercury element, and the half mole of O2. This is also the thing. Then third, if I take a third oxide, that is PbO2, this is going to give me oxides of the type that is lead and O2. So this is in the gaseous form. So these are the different oxides, and you can take the fourth one, that is copper oxide. This will be a copper plus half mole of O2. This is called as self-reduction. Means here the reduction of these oxides are taking means other definition of the reduction is what? It is a removal of oxygen, removal of oxygen. So if you remove these oxygen, the oxygen are being removed, and what you get as a product is the oxygen gas, self-reduction. So these are the gases which you are getting. There are more examples. We can also do the preparation by this method. K2Cr2O7, uh, potassium chromate, Cr2O7. Sorry, it is dichromate. Then if you heat this compound, what we get is K2Cr O4. and Cr2O3 and oxygen. Okay, color. With respect to color, this is orange, this is yellow, and this is green color compound. And this is your gas of interest which you are preparing. If you hit this Cr2O7, then these are the things which you will get. Then also, if we hit the compounds of Mn3O4, if I hit this compound, then what you will get is MnO2 plus oxygen. Okay, the reaction is not balanced. So here, oxidation state of the Mn is plus, how much it will come to? 3x 4 into minus 2 is equal to 0. Then this is M2O4, I guess. This is M2. Yeah, this is Mn3 only. So this is 3x minus 8 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 8 by 3. This is the oxidation state which we are getting. If I take this to be M4, then this will be a 4x. X will be 8 by 4 and it will be a 2. Yeah, here oxidation state of this is plus 2. Here it is plus 4, right? Here Mn is getting oxidized. Uh, yeah, what I'll do is I'm not sure with this reaction. I'll just explain this in a next or some other videos. Please excuse me for this. I'm just not sure about the oxidation states and all. So these are the important reactions we have to do. In the previous reactions also, if you check the oxidation state, your oxidation state of the elements are changing to zero, right? Means they are getting reduced. Here it was plus 1, here this is plus 2, here it is plus 4, and here it is plus 2. So all the oxidation state from the higher oxidation state, it is getting reduced to 0. Okay, these are the oxidation states and how it is getting reduced. Student, the reaction, okay, the reaction which I told you, like this was the reaction M3O4. This is giving you MnO2, MnO2 and oxygen. So this compound M3, sorry, Mn3O4, this compound is written like this. It is written MnO and Mn2O3. So here there are two oxidation states for Mn. It is plus 2 and a plus 3. So oxidation state of this is plus 2 and plus 3 and it is being oxidized, okay, to a plus 4. Here the oxidation of these things are taking place. Same way, the oxidation state of the chromium in this case is, let's check, K2Cr2O7, potassium, yeah, potassium is plus 1 into 2, 2x for the chromium, 7 into minus 2 is equal to 0. There's 2 plus 2x minus 14 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 14 minus 2 and x is equal to 6. Potassium is in plus 6 oxidation state. Here the oxidation state will be K2Cr2O7. Here it is getting reduced. K2Cr O4, that is 2 into plus 1 plus x plus 4 into minus 2, overall is neutral. So 2 plus x minus 8 is equal to 0, x is equal to 6. So it is getting here also the oxidation state is 6, 2x, 7 to 7 is 14, then this is here the oxidation state of the chromium will be 3. It is getting reduced. So these were the preparations of the oxygen. These are the important methods for the preparations of the oxygen.